students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. In this video, we will do our exercise 3.5 question number 2. Dear students, it is a very important question. So, see this question very carefully. What is given? Find the value of A and B. There are two parts in this question and different statements. Find the value of A and B for which the pair of linear equation will have infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution, unique solution and no solution. These conditions I am telling you from exercise 3.2. These three conditions are very important. So what is given in first part? Find the value of A and B if the pair of linear equation will have infinite many solution. Now dear students, first of all tell me what is the condition for infinite many solution? Yes, tell. Okay. For infinite many solution condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for infinite many solution. Infinite many solutions. This is the condition. Using this condition, we have to find the value of A and B. Let's see how we will do it. First of all, we will reduce these pair of linear equations in standard form. Half 2x plus 3y. This plus 7 will become minus 7 this side. This is our second equation, and in this what we will get? A minus b into x plus a plus b into y minus. What we will do? We will take it as single term and we will bring it here. 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. Now what we will do? Comparing with, हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन क्या है उसके साथ उनको कंपेयर करेंगे. कंपेयर विद a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now we will get? We will find the value of, yes, from here a1 is equal to 2. What we will do? We will compare first equation with this. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 7, a2 is equal to a minus b. This complete, because what is a2? a2 is the coefficient of x, so a2 will equal to a minus b, because in this equation coefficient of x is a minus b. After it, b2 is a plus b, c2 is equal to minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Now what is given? Infinite many solutions. So for infinite many solutions, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b, b1 is 3, b2 is a plus 2, c1 is minus 7, c2 is minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Now minus minus cancel out. From here we get three parts. It is first part, second part, third part. Now dear students, what we will do? We will take two parts and will form equations. After forming the equation, we will find the value of A and B. Let's see how we will do. taking first and second part. From here 2 upon a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b. Now what we will do? We will do cross multiplication here. On cross multiplication what we will get? 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. Now 2 into a, 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Now rearrange like terms. This minus 3b will become plus 3b. 3a, this plus 2a will become minus 2a. 5b is equal to a. From here we get our first equation. That it is our first equation. Now you can take second or third part or first and third part. So I am taking first and third part. First and third part. What is our first part? 2 upon a minus b. And what is our third part? 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. 7 into a minus b. 7 into a minus b is equal to 2 into 3a plus b minus 2. This 2 is multiplication with all these terms. Now when we solve it, what we will get? 7a minus 7b is equal to 2 3s are 6a plus 2b minus 4. Now rearrange like terms. 7a. This plus 6a will become minus 6a. Minus 7b. This plus 2b will become minus 2b and it is equal to minus 4. Now again solve it. 7 minus 6, 1. A minus 7 minus 2. What we will get? Minus 9b and it is equal to minus 4. That is equation number 2. Now from equation first and second. From first equation what we will do? We will substitute the value of a. And what is a? 5b. Now 5b minus 9b is equal to minus 4. From here minus 4b is equal to minus 4. Minus cancel out. b is equal to 4 by 4. b is equal to 1. It is the value of b. Now using this what we will do? We will find the value of a. How can we find? By putting the value of b either in first equation or in equation second. Suppose I am putting the value of b in equation first. Now putting the value of b in equation first. A is equal to 5 into 1. A is equal to 5. So what we will write in answer? So for a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Pair of linear equations. Will have infinite number of solutions. Yes, dear students, for value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1, these pair of linear equation will have infinite many solutions. This is the first part of question number 2. Now let's see next part. Now dear students, see second part. What is given in second part? 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. In this equation what is given? For what value of A or for which value of K, following pair of linear equations will have no solution. What is given? These pair of linear equations will have no solution. And dear students, what is the condition for no solution? For no solution, what is the condition? Yes, tell me fast. Yes, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. In condition of no solution, first two terms are unequal to and last term not equal to. So, using this condition, we have to find the value of K. Firstly, reduce over these two equations in standard form of pair of linear equation. How can we reduce? 3x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and here 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. This is our standard form. Now what we will do? We will compare these equations with standard form of pair of linear equations. And what is our standard form? Comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These conditions are given, and now what we will do, we will compare these given conditions with standard equations. Now from here, a1 is equal to 3, b1, what is the coefficient of y here? Coefficient of y is 1, it is 1. So b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 1 because it is minus 1. After it, a2 is equal to 2k minus 1. B2 is equal to k minus 1. Now C2 minus of 2k plus 1. We got the value of A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Now we will apply the condition for no solution. For no solutions. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for no solution. Substitute these values. A1 is 3, A2 is 2k minus 1 is equal to B1 is 1, B2 is k minus 1, and it is not equal to minus 1 upon minus of 2k plus 1. Minus cancel out. Now dear students, again there are three parts, first, second and third, but there is difference in this part. We can find the value of k using first and second part only, and this third part is for verification. हम यहाँ पर फर्स्ट और सेकेंड पार्ट से ही k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड? बिकॉज देयर इज ओनली वन वेरिएबल गिवन है k, और हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ k, व्हाट वी विल डू वेरिफिकेशन वेदर for value of k, for that value which we have find from the solution, the pair of linear equation will have no solution or not. This third part is for verification. Now how can we do this? First part, second part and third part. Now taking first and third part. What is our first and third part? Our first part is 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1. Now on cross multiplication, 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. From here 3 into k, 3k plus 3 minus 1 minus 3, and it is equal to 2k minus 1. Now 3k, this 2k will become minus 2k minus 1. this minus 3 will become plus 3. From here k minus 1 plus 3, k is equal to 2. Yes, from here we get the value of k, that is k is equal to 2. हमें यहाँ से k की वैल्यू मिली. Now what we will do? वेरिफिकेशन. अब हम चेक तो करें कि क्या k इज इक्वल टू 2 के लिए हमें नो सॉल्यूशन मिल भी रहा है या नहीं. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ k, पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ k इन फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड पार्ट सेपरेटली. थर्ड पार्ट. नाउ फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 3 upon 2k minus 1. For it 3 upon 2 and 2. K is 2 minus 1 means 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 3. But we are getting 1. Now in second part, what is our second part? 1 upon k minus 1. 1 upon what is k? K is 2. 2 minus 1. 1 upon 1 means 1. Now third part. What is our third part? 1 upon 2k plus 1. 1 upon 2k plus 1. 1 upon 2 into k is 2 plus 1. From here 1 upon 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now what we are getting? a1 by a2 is equal to 1. b1 by b2 is equal to 1. c1 by c2 1 by c1 by c2 1 by 5. So what we will write? So 4 k is equal to 2. यहाँ से बेटा यहाँ पे हमें मोर देन 1 वैल्यू भी मिल सकती है, तो हम वहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, दोनों वैल्यूज के लिए डिफरेंट चेक करेंगे कि क्या यहाँ पर हमें नो सॉल्यूशन की कंडीशन मिल रही है नहीं मिल रही है. ये क्वेश्चन यहीं तक कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस आल्सो. 4k is so dear students, 4k is equal to 2. Pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations will have no solution. Okay, this is your second question. Now there is example in your book in which in that example what is given, pair of linear equations will have unique solution. Yes dear students, what is the condition for unique solution? For unique solutions a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So like this any condition can be given to you, and missing or any term, any variable value can be asked to you, find the value of a and b or find the value of k or any other variable. So for unique solution what is the condition? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. These 3 points you have to remember, that for unique solution a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. For infinite many solutions a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and for no solution a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This is about question number 2 of exercise 3.5.